Looking for a place with lots of room? This affordable 3-bedroom/2-bath home on 2 lots might be right for you. Home features a large living room with corner wood-burning fireplace, big dining room, and a spacious kitchen with breakfast bar. The light and open floor plan means there's room for everyone. Split bedroom plan. Master bath has tub plus separate shower, walk-in closet. 2 storage buildings. Huge covered front porch, metal roof. Harmon Creek Ridge is a great place for those that love to fish. This property is a very short distance to Harmon Creek, and there's even boat ramp for residents' use. Owner agent.